Hey everyone, it's your boy Datsun Z with a quick little update for you guys. We here at JPAN GT, DPAN GT are the original creators and manufacturers of the Fairlady Z Katakana badge. Yes sir. In other words, it says Fairlady Z in Japanese. This badge is made of ABS plastic and fits all Z cars from 1970 all the way up to 2022. This badge requires nothing more than 3M backing tape, which is included. So there's no drilling required, just peel and stick pretty much. And they last forever. So anyway, there's some speculation out there where people thought that we weren't making these no more. Well, simple fact of the matter is we're changing our website, so it's going to be down for a while. So if you'd like to purchase one of these badges, you can hit us up via email and buy them direct from us via PayPal. So our email is JPANGT01, JPANGT, the number 0, and the number 1 at gmail.com. All you gotta do is just email us. We'll send you our PayPal info, and just give us the quantity you want, what version you want. Comes in 2 versions, red Z or the white Z. Just tell us the quantity you want and your name, address, and what color, and we'll go ahead and drop them in the mail with the tracking number and all that jazz. So again, we are still producing these. We have many more in stock. So if you'd like to get your hands on a legit Fairlady Z Katakana badge made by us, we created this thing in high quality detail, ABS plastic with 3M backing tape. Just shoot us an email at jpang.gt01@gmail.com with your name, address, and the quantity you want and what colors. Now we do sell these as singular or as a set. You get a discount on a complete set, which is a complete set is 3, by the way. You can put them anywhere in your car. We usually do for the S30s, like old tramp stamp over there, we do left fender, right fender, and rear hatch, pretty much the factory locations on the S30Zs. But a lot of the 350Z, 370Z guys are putting them on their front grill, front bumper, which is a very popular style in Australia, by the way. So anyway, just hit us up at jpangt01@gmail.com. That's all you gotta do. Just shoot us an email and how many you want and what color you want. We'll give you the price along with our PayPal info. Pay us through PayPal. With peace of mind, we'll send this baby in the mail with tracking number your way.